your Lincoln Black Label Venetian leather seats looking great for a long time is simple. Regular cleanings can help keep your seats free of stains and dirt. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth and allow it to dry. For a more thorough cleaning, first vacuum the surface to remove any loose dirt. Then gently wipe the surface with a solution of 5% hand soap and 95% warm water. And finish by wiping the seats again with a slightly damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Then blot dry the area with a soft cloth. Keep in mind, using aftermarket cleaners may void your warranty, and you should always test any cleaning solutions or stain remover on a discrete part of your seat before treating the whole area. And of course, clean spills and stains as quickly as possible to prevent them from setting in. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit LincolnOwner.com.